Hi, welcome to Step 2 Maths. In this section, we are going to discuss some problems related to nature of roots of quadratic equation. Okay, consider first question. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Determine the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation, and if exist, that means if it's real, find the roots. That is the question. For that, first determine the nature of roots. So find the value of b square minus 4ac. For that, the value of a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Value of b square minus 4ac equal to b square, b is minus 3. That is minus 3 square minus 4 into a, 2, c, 5. That is equal to minus 3 square, 9 minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 5, 40. 9 minus 40 minus 31. That means the value of b square minus 4ac less than 0. Less than 0 means the roots are not real. Our question is, if the roots are real, then only find out the roots. Consider the next question. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Determine the nature of roots, and if it's real, then find out the roots of this quadratic equation. First, determine the nature of roots. For that, find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Before that, write down the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Then b square minus 4ac is minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a, 3, c is equal to 4. Minus 4 root 3 square means minus 4 into root 3 into minus 4 into root 3. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16 into root 3 into root 3, 3. That means 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is equal to 48. That means minus 4 root 3 square is equal to 48 minus 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 4, 48 equal to 0. That means the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 indicates that the roots are equal. 2 equal real roots. So, we have to find out the roots. The value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means this quadratic equation have 2 equal real roots. So, find out that roots. X is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac, and value of b square minus 4ac is 0. So, the roots minus b by 2a. If you write the full formula, minus b plus this value is 0, that is minus b plus 0 by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus 0 by 2a. That's we can write minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Two equal roots. So find its value. Minus b. Minus b is minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. The value of b is minus 4 root 3. Minus b means put minus here. Minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2a. 2 into the value of a is 3. Minus of minus 4 root 3 is 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. We can simplify it. 4 and 4 by 2 is, cancel this 2 and 4, here 2 and root 3. Root 3 by 3. This 3 we can write root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, we split that 3 into root 3 and cancel one root 3 and this root 3. So, the final answer is 2 by root 3. The two roots are same, 2 by root 3. The value of x is equal to 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. The roots of this quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal, are real and equal. In this way, we can find out the nature of roots of a quadratic equation, and here the roots are real, so we find out the roots, and here the roots are equal also. Consider the next question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Determine the nature of roots, and if it's real, find the roots. First, find out the value of b square minus 4ac. The values of a, b, c and c, a and b, a, b and c are a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into c is 3. That is equal to minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24. That means 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. The value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 12 means b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So, that indicates this quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, find out the values of roots. X is equal to, substitute, minus b. Minus b is minus 6, minus of minus 6 plus root of b square minus 4ac. B square, value of b square minus 4ac is 12. That means root of 12 by 2a. 2 into 2. Simplify this. Minus of minus 6, 6, 6 plus root 12. Root 12 we can write it as 2 root 3 by 2 into 2. Okay, we can simplify it again. How? 6 plus 2 root 3 by 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 into 3 plus root 3 by 2 into 2. Cancel these two. 3 plus root 3 by 2. So we can write this value as 3 plus root 3 by 2. The value of x is 3 plus root 3 by 2. First root. What's the value of second root? X is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That means 3 minus root 3 by 2. The roots of this quadratic equation are x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. In this way, we can find out the nature of roots of quadratic equation, and if there is root exists, that means if the roots are real, then we can find out the roots of that quadratic equation.